Hello student, myself Piyush Mathur from Department of Electrical Engineering, Arya College of Engineering and IT, Khokas, Jaipur. My video lecture is based on subject utilization of electrical power, and today my topic is system of track electrification. In previous video lecture we had studied about the types of traction system and utilization of electricity according to the track. Now, system of track electrification. First of all the system of track electrification is based on supply. So there are categorized into four types. Number one is DC system. Number two, single phase AC system. Number three phase AC system, and number four, composite system. So there are four type of track electrification used in for traction system on all over the world. So first of all, we talk about the DC system. In this system of traction, the electrical motor employed for getting necessary propelling torque should be selected in such a way that they should be able to operate on DC supply. So all the role of this DC supply is propelling torque requirement of electric motor must be available on operating on DC supply. The range of general in DC track electrification is 600 volt, 750 volt, 1500 volt and 3000 volt. And DC current approximately generally 600 volt and 750 volt is universally all over the world, employed for tramways in the urban areas, for main suburban and mainline area. Generally 1500 to 3000 volt is used according to the distance. The in this system, the urban area, suburban area and mainline is difference between the distance in along the according to the voltage used. Example of DC system is such a way generally tramways which run along the single conductor and trolley buses which run along the double conductor. Now, second system of track electrification is single phase AC system. In this system of track electrification, usually AC series motor are used for getting the necessary propelling power. It means that torque. The distribution network employed for the such traction system is 15 to 25 kV at a reduced frequency of 25 Hz or 16 say 2 upon 3 Hz. The main reason of the operating at reduced frequency is AC series motor are more efficient and show better performance at low frequency. So we can reduce for the frequency come to the 25 Hz. Otherwise the normal frequency is 15 or 50 Hz. We know that. These high voltage are stepped down to suitable low voltage of 300 to 400 volt by means of step down transformer. And low frequency can be obtained from the normal supply frequency with the help of frequency converter. The frequency converter basically step down the frequency to 50 Hz to 25 Hz. And low frequency operation of overhead line reduce the reactance and hence the voltage drop directly. And single phase AC system is mainly preferred for mainline service where the cost of overhead structure is not much importance. Moreover, rapid acceleration and retardation is not required for suburban services. In this system, the mainline cost of overhead structure is not much important because the length or distance between the poles on mainline service is very high. So the cost overhead line cost is not much important for rapid acceleration, and retardation is not required for suburban areas. If we talk about the next system, three phase AC system, in this system of track electrification, three phase induction motor are employed for getting the necessary propelling power. It's mean that operating torque. The operating voltage of induction motor is normally 3000 to 3600 volt AC, and the normal frequency is same at 25 Hz or 1632 by 3 Hz frequency. Usually, three-phase induction motor are preferable because the simple and robust construction and high operating efficiency. There are the advantage of three-phase induction motor. So there are the provision of regenerative braking without placing any additional equipment, and better performance at both normal and reduced frequency. Induction motor suffer from the drawback. There are the low starting torque, high starting current, and the absence of speed control. So the all the drawbacks are overcome by the three-phase induction motor. But the main disadvantage of this type of track electrification system is high cost of overhead line distribute structure, because the three-phase AC line system is number of conductor are more required, number of complexity are more, all are the interference and communication disturbances are more. So there are the many drawbacks, and also high cost of overhead distribution structure, because the to support the conductor we want required the higher strength of pole and cross arms. So this distribution system consists of generally two overhead wire and track rail for the third phase, and receive power either directly from the generating station or through the transformer substation. Three-phase AC system is mainly adopted of the service with the output power is required high and regeneration of electrical energy is possible. So there are many advantage of three-phase AC system. The main advantage of about the three-phase AC system is regenerative braking is possible without any additional equipment. So we can use according to better performance of the traction system. Now the very important track electrification composite system. Generally, in above type of track electrification such as DC system, single phase AC system, and three phase electrification system, and there are some on and merits and demerits. And single phase AC system generally preferably the view of distribution cost and distribution voltage can be stepped up to high voltage with the use of transformer. Because of the voltage are step up, we know that if voltage is high, the transmission losses are reduced. Whereas the DC series motor have most desirable feature. For three-phase system, three-phase induction motor has the advantage of automatic regenerative braking. So it is necessary to combine the advantage of DC and AC, or three-phase or single-phase system. So first of all, the types of composite system for use for track electrification. There are two types mainly: the single phase to DC system, and single phase to three phase system, or Kondo system. The first of all, we talk about the single phase to DC system. Single phase to DC system means the minimum cost with higher transmission efficiency, because the with the help of transformer we can step up the voltage. And DC series if we convert the AC to DC supply, we can use the DC series motor is ideally suited for traction purpose, because the characteristics of DC series motor is high starting torque, low starting current. So many advantage of DC series motor. So the most ideally suited for the traction purpose. And the normal operating voltage employed of distribution is 20 kV at normal frequency of 50 Hz. So this track electrification is employed in India. Now the second system is Kondo system. In Kondo system, the single phase to three phase system. It means that the single phase is converted to the three phase system by the help of the converter. In this system, single phase AC system is preferred for distribution network, and single phase overhead distribution is cheap, because maintain the high voltage, and three phase induction motor are employed for traction motor because of their robust construction and the provision of automatic regenerative braking. In previous slide we studied about that. So the voltage used for distribution network is 15 to 20 kV only at 50 Hz. So single phase supply is converted to three phase supply with the help of the three phase converter, and high voltage is step down transformer to feed the three phase induction motors. This step down voltage give to the induction motor, and we can use induction motor for the regenerative braking also. And frequency converter also employed to get higher starting torque, and to achieve better speed control with the help of the variable frequency. If we want fast speed control, the better speed control with the help of frequency converter are also applied at high starting torque. So there are the most important track electrification used in overall this traction system, single phase to three phase system, or we can say that Kondo system. So there are the track electrification. So thank you.